Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, in this video, we will talk about the network setting in VirtualBox. Why I make this video? Because the network settings knowledge in VirtualBox is very useful for us when we want to virtualize our network in VirtualBox. Even though we can do this in GNS 3, but sometimes when we need only the simple network, we can do the network settings in VirtualBox. No need the GNS 3. Okay, let's open your VirtualBox. And in my VirtualBox, I already set some VM, and we will use this Fedora 35 Mate 1 and Fedora 35 Mate 2. I use this Fedora Mate because I think Fedora Mate is lighter than the Fedora workstation when we virtualize it in VirtualBox. Let's open the settings and go to the network. In here, I only enable the adapter number 1 and the network is NAT. What is the NAT settings in VirtualBox? We will try it. Let's run our virtual machine. I will run 2 virtual machines. Okay, the VMs are running now. We will try to check the network setting. We will check the mate number 1 first. The network setting is NAT, and the mate number 2, the network setting, also using NAT. And if we try to find out the IP address in each VM, we will see that each VM has the same IP address. And we will try to ping the Google. Each VM has the access to the internet. And how about the access to the host? This is the host's IP. We will try to ping the host. So each VM can ping the host. why I don't try to ping each VM from one VM to another VM, because it has the same IP address. If I ping the VM's IP from another VM, it will ping itself. For example, if I ping this VM can ping the IP, because actually this is its own IP. Actually, I cannot change the IP from the VirtualBox settings, because I cannot find the setting for the virtual router in here. I cannot find the virtual router setting. So if I draw the NAT setting in VirtualBox, it will be like this. It's like we have a host and the host has a network interface card, and this network interface card is connected to the internet, and inside the host there are two VM, and each VM is connected into something like virtual router. This is the reason why each VM has the same IP, and the virtual router is connected to the internet through the host and IC. In the VirtualBox network setting, we cannot find the setting for this virtual network. So the host cannot ping the VM, and the VM can ping the host, and the VM can also has access to the internet. The question is there a way for the host to connect to the VM? The answer is yes, but we need to use the port forwarding. So this port forwarding setting can be found in the network setting in VirtualBox. We need to set each VM for the port forwarding. We will talk about this in the other video. Okay, let's continue to the other network setting in VirtualBox. Beside the NAT, there's a network setting called NAT network. So what is the difference between the NAT network and the NAT? This is the NAT and this is the NAT network setting. I will try to draw first, and after that we can continue to learn with our VirtualBox. For the NAT network, it's like we have a host and the host has the NIC, and this NIC is connected to the internet. And if we put a VM in here, and we will put another VM, so we have more than one VM, and we use the NAT network setting. It's like we have a virtual router that is connected to each VM like this, and this virtual router can connect to the internet through the host's NIC. So it's different with this NAT setting. In NAT network setting, we can set the IP address. So let's try. Before we use the NAT network setting, we need to create a NAT network. We can create the virtual router for the NAT network setting from here. Click the file menu and then go to the preferences. Click the network and we can find the NAT network menu. In here we can create a virtual router and we can setting the IP. For example, in here we will name this virtual router with NAT network 1, and the IP will be 10.10.10, and the DHCP server is active. After that, we need to set each VM to the NAT network, and we need to choose the NAT network 1 that we already created. Let's check the VM. We need to restart the connection. This is the IP before, and this is the IP now. You can see here, it's already changed. It means that this VM and this VM is located in one segment. I can ping another VM that is in one network. You can see here that I can ping this VM from this VM. And I will try to ping the google.com. Yes. This VM is connected to the internet, and this VM is connected to the internet too. So if we ping the host, we can do that too. Yes, that's correct. But the host cannot ping the VMs. So from here, we can have our conclusion that if we need a simple topology, a topology like this, like the NAT or NAT network, we can do this topology in the VirtualBox. So I think this is the end of my video. We will talk about the NAT port forwarding in the another video. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.